What conversations have you overheard in a language they assumed you don't know? I didn't really know the language, but my friend did. I was at lunch, and while walking to my table, I tripped and fell. Feeling a bit embarrassed, I quickly got up and sat down with my friend. Behind us, two guys were speaking very loudly in Russian. My friend, who's from Kazakhstan, leaned in and whispered, "They're talking about you." I asked him what they were saying, and apparently, it was something along the lines of, "Is he so stupid he can't even walk straight? This is why I hate Los Angeles. People are always drunk or mentally retarded." My friend had an idea. He told me to get up and go to the bathroom, and when he called back for me, he'd say something in Russian. He gave me a short phrase to respond with, and we'd act like we were having a conversation in Russian. I was supposed to look confused at first, and then act as if his comments were super obvious. So, I got up. As I walked past their table, he called after me loudly, and according to him, we had this conversation in Russian. You know what I hate? People who are so stupid they assume no one else can understand them just because they're speaking another language in America. I know, right? This is why I hate Los Angeles. People are so shallow and self-important, they come to Chili's just to talk shit about random people they think they're better than. The two men looked absolutely horrified, and awkwardly switched to talking about food and the weather in English before leaving.